Good evening, this is Jan. I'm in my kitchen and I'm gonna make a burger. It's gonna be a Camembert burger. Here I got the Camembert. It's a soft and creamy cheese from northern France. It's even got a little bit of a nutty flavor to it, so that will be great with the burger. This is the meat. It's of course 100% ground beef. About 200 grams. The seasoning I will keep very simple with this burger, because I want the flavor of the Camembert cheese to be very prominent. So the basics are of course salt, pepper, black pepper, always quite an amount. Thyme for herbal flavors. For some heat, cayenne pepper. And the very aromatic Worcester sauce. And of course don't forget to put some flour in there, so that the burger is more firm and it stays in shape. Mix it all up. This is the patty. This already looks like a beautiful burger. Just 1/2 hour in the fridge. Step number 2, the sauce. This I also will keep very simple. Gonna use very basic things, like mayonnaise, Russian mustard from the Polish brand Roleski, my favorite mustard brand for sure. Got beautiful mustards, and again some herbs, thyme and rosemary, because these herbs go very well with Camembert. Just stir it up. Maybe some more mayonnaise to make sure I got enough sauce for the burger. Some more thyme. And the sauce is ready. So here's the Camembert, and before I'm cooking the burger, I'm gonna slice this. Just a couple of nice slices, like this. Not too thick, not too thin. And of course I have a slice to eat. Very creamy, very tasty. Then my burger goes into the grill pan. I put a little bit of olive oil in it. The 3 minutes per side will do. Looks like this burger is doing alright, so I'm gonna flip it. Just look at that. It's time to put on the cheese, the Camembert. Three slices will do. Put on the pan, keep the heat right in there. It must be ready. And then I'm toasting the bun in a hot pan. And then the last step before I can eat is to build the burger. First I put on the sauce. Make sure everything is covered nicely. Some pickles sliced already, which makes it easy to work with. 1 and 2. I think the combination of pickles and camembert works very well, so that's why. Then the hero of the dish, the burger with the camembert. Right, like this. And here it is, the Camembert burger. And then finally, there's the part of eating the burger. Which is not very easy, because the burger is very thick. Creamy stuff, that cheese. I love beef as a burger. The pickles give that nice acidity. Like all the cheese is falling out. I should have known this before. I'm gonna continue eating this burger with knife and fork, which makes life much easier. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.